Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee, and as you all know, I'm a booktuber and I'm making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World, and this is a very nice book, and I recommend all of you to read this book. As I always tell to you, this book is this long, so I cannot make full book on one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic video on each and every topic so that you can understand and you can understand. So and what I'm doing, I'm giving a number to each and every video, so whenever if you come even in the fourth video, fifth video, you can go right from the first video and see, then you will understand it better. Okay, so this which I'm doing is 23rd video. Okay, so and the topic is spirit communication. So I will start. 4th 5th 1981, 4th May 1981, and the topic is spirit communication. We are here and you are there, but we can still see you, talk to you, and exchange our thoughts. Most people on the earth don't know that, however, so that is why only few can communicate with us. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling to us via Korshat Bhavnagari that uh, sitting in the spirit world, each and every spirit can see us, talk with us, and communicate with us. But the people living on this earth world doesn't know this, right? So this Vipsi and Rato is telling, we are accelerated when a soul from earth is able to communicate with us. So Vipsi and Rato is telling, the souls who are living in the spirit world are always very happy and excited when somebody contacts from the earth world to spirit world, because they get opportunity to help the people living in the earth world. So it's a very good thing for them. They are so happy when we communicate with them. On earth, many believe that if anyone communicates with the spirit world, they must be real devils, and that is very bad and harmful to do so. So here, Vipsi and Rato is telling to us about the basic notion of the people living in the earth world. So basic notion what people have, for example, if I'm communicating with the spirit world, maybe it is very dangerous, or maybe it's very harmful, so that spirit may do some harm to us. But it is completely wrong notion which Vipsi and Rato is making clear to us via this topic spirit communication to us. This is absolutely untrue. It is entirely false to think that it is bad to communicate with the spirit world. Here Vipsi and Rato is telling it is always better and it is always good to communicate with the spirit world. Some are forced to believe it is wrong to communicate with the spirit world. They are convinced it will hinder us spirit and stop our progress by bringing us, our soul, down to earth. So often, even people have this notion that if we communicate to any spirit, we are stopping their progress, or in their spiritual journey we are creating problem. We are not allowing them in the spiritual progress. This is also completely wrong notion, which Vipsi and Rato is telling to us. These are all wrong ideas. On the contrary, God Almighty and High Good Soul are very happy if we seek permission to communicate with the people on the earth. So, whenever we want to communicate with the people on the earth, the high good souls, they are always happy that somebody wants to communicate with us, somebody wants to take guidance with us. So, it's a very big thing and it's a very big happiness for them. You see, some of us spirit brings some you see some of us spirit being have to impress upon our loved ones to stop doing what is wrong, as we want them to be with us on the same high realm. We face many difficulty while projecting over thought to them. Here Vipsi and Rato is telling, when the loved ones is down in the earth, so what happens, those spirit who our departed soul, our loved one, they always want us to come in the higher realm with us, so they want to communicate with us, so they want to help with us. Most of the time, after working so hard to impress upon people on the earth, we fail very badly. To even give you a tiny idea, because many people do not accept our good thought. Here, many a times, Vipsy and Rato is telling the spirit, those who are living on the spirit world always fail to communicate with us because we do not accept their ideas and we do not give interest in the communicating with them and advice because their mind are limited. Here, Vipsy and Rato is telling often they fail to communicate because the mind of the souls who are living in earth world is very limited. Okay. And as I earlier said you, the souls who are living in spirit world, their minds works in 360-degree dimension. By communicating directly with people on earth, we can very easily tell them what is good for them and prevent them from falling spiritually and going lower realm. So here, Vipsy and Rato is telling by the communication, the souls who are living in the spirit world, they can directly tell us what is correct and what is wrong, so that we do not fall in the lower realm. However, we are not allowed to reveal what the spiritual test might be. We can only help them by giving them hints and guidance. So here, Vipsy and Rato is telling they are not allowed to reveal what is the spiritual test of a soul might be. But yes, they are allowed to give often hints. These are the hints. These things may come in your life. You should be prepared for these things. So they are allowed to give us hints. It is easier for us to communicate directly with people on earth rather than trying to project our thought, which normally fail to penetrate your thick skull. Here, Vipsy and Rato is telling it is easier for them to communicate with the people on earth directly rather than connecting via different mediums. The few who can safely and easily communicate with us most place all their random thought aside, which will help both of us. So here Vipsy and Rato is telling if somebody knows the way to communicate with them, they should communicate with them. Our progress is faster when aided by communication, as we don't waste our precious time trying to put down good thought. So here, Vipsy and Rato is telling, for example, if the souls living in the spirit world help some of the souls living in the earth world, so their progress in the spirit world also happen very fast. This is one of the God's laws. Thoughts, ideas, and wisdom in people constricted mind, as only a small percentage of your subconscious mind work on the earth. So here Vipsy and Rato is telling when we are in this earth plane, our only certain percentage of our subconscious mind works. Our brain doesn't work in 360 degree dimension as it works on the spirit world. From now on, you must try to contact your departed loved ones. So here, Vipsy and Rato is telling from now onwards, you should try to contact your departed loved ones from your family, those who have departed in the spirit world. But you cannot start on your own. It is very dangerous to start communication through auto writing on your own. So here, Vipsy and Rato is telling we should not do it from our own because it can be dangerous. You have to build up a link through a person who is authorized and experienced at automatic writing. So here Vipsy and Rato is telling we should build up a link with the person who is already experienced in automatic writing. It is easy for us to communicate continuously with our loved ones. It is just like sitting at home and talking on a two-way radio. There is not much difference between our method of communication and your two-way radio. So here Vipsy and Rato is telling it is very easy for the soul living in the spirit world to communicate with the soul living on this earth plane because it is nothing rather than two-way of radio communication which happens in this earth plane. We rarely come down to earth to talk to you. We simply sit in our home and communicate via our expanded subconscious mind. Here, Vipsy and Rato is telling there is very less time where the souls come down in our earth plane. They sit there and they communicate with us by expanding their subconscious mind. Our thoughts are extraordinarily powerful, like two-way radio we transmit and receive. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling that their thought are very much powerful, and they as well as two-way radio as they transmit and receive it. Some people on earth have a God given power of a two-way radio in them as well. So they can receive our messages in the same way, and we can very easily gather what you say or think. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling some of the soul living in this earth world, their communication power have is so strong they can easily communicate with the spirit world. Some people on the earth are lucky to have this power, but some are not. Always remember that it is best for both you and us when we communicate via this two-way radio of our mind. So Vipsi and Rato is telling it is very important for us to communicate by two-way mind from us and people living in earth plane and people living in spirit plane. As for help from one who has this gift, and you will see what a difference it can make in your life. So here Vipsi and Ratu is saying if somebody is communicating from spirit world to earth world, so you can see what changes happens in your life, how you progress in your life, and how you go further in our life. Now my friends, this chapter comes to an end. So this was a which was the spirit communication. So this is finished now. Now then our next chapter is how the realm works. So this I will be covering in my next video. So I hope you all loved this, and you do subscribe my channel, press the like button, hit the notification so that whenever I update a new video you will get updates. And this is a very good book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. I recommend all of you to read, right? It's a really very good book. And you can also connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. Okay, friends. So I will be meeting you in the next video. Okay. Goodbye. Till then. Bye.